Woi, berani banget nih.
Alaska 261, we are in a dive here.
Alaska 261, say again, sir.
Yeah, we're at 26,000 feet. We are in a vertical dive. Not a dive yet, but we've lost vertical control of our airplane.
Alaska 261, roger.
We're at 23.7, request, yeah, we got it back under control there. Oh, yeah.
Alaska 261, say condition.
261, we're at 24,000 feet, kind of stabilized. We're slowing here, and we're going to do a little troubleshooting. Can you give me a block between 20 and 25?
Alaska 261, maintain block altitude by level 200 through by level 250.
Alaska 261, we'll take that block. We'll be monitoring for you.
Alaska 261, you over here with me? Yes, sir.
Plane's inverted, sir. And he's just hit the water. Yes, sir. He hit the water. He's down.